Please pay careful attention to the safety precautions mentioned at the beginning of this video. Press the pause button when necessary to ensure you have read and understand these important messages before continuing. Safety should always be number one. Ensure all personal protection equipment, PPE, is available and used when operating the machine. At a minimum, the following should be used: safety glasses, gloves for handling sharp metal, safety shoes, and a lab coat. Loose clothing and jewelry shall be removed or tucked such that they cannot be snagged by the machine as it rotates. Serious injuries could result if proper safety is not followed.